The wind blew gently across the battlefield as Arjuna continued to listen to Krishna's wisdom. Despite his readiness for action, he felt a soft yet powerful curiosity rise within him. Arjuna turned towards Krishna and questioned, "Krishna, you speak of peace and steady action. But how does one calm the mind? My thoughts are like wild horses." Krishna's face shone with kindness and replied, "Arjuna, the mind becomes calm through discipline, through practice, learning to sit still inside, even when the world moves outside." Arjuna frowned slightly and asked, "Sit still in the midst of a war? Is it even possible?" Krishna laughed softly and answered, "Yes, Arjuna. A true yogi is at peace no matter where they stand. Whether in a forest or at a battlefield, their heart remains balanced." He explained Dhyan Yoga, also known as meditation yoga. Krishna pointed at Arjuna's heart and said, "When someone has control over their mind, the mind becomes their closest friend. But if they don't control it, the mind becomes their greatest enemy." Arjuna listened in amazement, exhaled softly, and asked, "But, Krishna, my thoughts wander all the time. It does not listen. How can I control something so agitated?" Krishna's voice grew gentle and deep and he answered, "Arjuna, your mind is restless. True. But it is trainable. With patience, practice, and faith." Arjuna nodded slowly, his doubts fading like dew in the sunlight. Then he asked, "What happens to someone who practices sincerely but fails? Do they lose everything?" Krishna gave him a reassuring look and answered, "No, Arjuna. No effort in the pursuit of goodness is ever wasted. Each small step counts. Even if one falls, they can rise again, stronger, wiser." Arjuna felt a sense of calmness grow within him. For the first time, he whispered, "Krishna, teach me to maintain mental stability. Teach me to be a warrior and a yogi." Krishna nodded, smiling. The lesson about inner balance had blossomed. To be continued in Chapter 7.